It means that you are welcome on country. It means the start of your new journey. It means healing, and it means joining together and walking together. Friends of Wurundjeri are friends for life. And we are a multicultural society now, and we need to take care of each other.
I think it's really important, and I think we always tend to underestimate the importance of these occasions. We read about them, we see them, and we in the abstract, but until you're involved in them, I don't think you quite get the sense of how important it is. It really is a moment in time that can't be repeated, and I think it's really quite moving.
I think it's important for every organisation to understand its responsibility to the land and for First Peoples. And for us, with a new building and a new mindset around how we want to engage and become more diverse and welcoming, it seemed logical and long overdue for us to hold a ceremony and proudly display the flags of the First Peoples in this country for everyone to see and understand that we are very welcoming.
A first tangible step, the flying of flags, is symbolic but really important on a process that will be ongoing, never-ending, and something I think that the board will always take to heart and focus on whenever and wherever it can.